Hi, it's Adam Franklin, and today I want to talk you through the high trust marketing system that Tobes and I have been working on. It's especially for high trust relationship based business owners who sell high ticket products and services. Now, the system helps you stay top of mind, develop high trust relationships, and attract qualified leads. And when these things come together, that's when you make the high ticket sales. So the system is built on 3 pillars, and I want you to visualize them as circles. So the top circle is LinkedIn, and this is where we connect with people. It needs you to have your profile up to date, you need to connect with people, and you also need to publish content to LinkedIn as well. Now the second pillar, again visualized as a circle, is unpacking your IP, your intellectual property. This is where you educate people, whether it's articles that you've written, whether it's flagship content that you're known for, or presentations, whether they're videos, webinars, or speeches that you might have given. The third circle, the third pillar, is email marketing, and whether you're doing newsletters via an email marketing system or one-on-one individual personalized emails with your prospects, this is where you convert. Now, when those 3 circles all overlap and where they intersect, that is where you make the high ticket sales. Because you're top of mind, because you've developed high trust relationships, and because you're attracting qualified leads. So that's the system in a nutshell. If you'd like a copy of it as a diagram so you can visualize it, and I do go into a bit more detail, then I'll send you a copy. Just type high trust marketing into the comments and I'll send that over to you. If you're interested in working with me as well, please just let me know and I can send you some more information about that too. All right, take care. See you on the next video.